Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to unblock a person, namely an account in Messenger. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Messenger app on our iPhones or Androids. If we've blocked someone and we want to unblock them, we need to click on the three bars in the top left corner. Then we open Settings. Here we find Privacy and Safety. You'll find your blocked accounts, and here we'll select the person we want to unblock. Let's say we select this one. Click here Unblock. Here you have here Unblock Messenger. Or let's say you're browsing different people. You've blocked someone in Messenger and Facebook. And you click on Unblock Messenger. And then you unblock that person. Now you can send them a message, you can text them, and so on. But if you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Goodbye.